I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Binance in Treasure Fun, only way. Open Treasure Fun, go to Wallet, select Connect Exchange, and choose Binance from the list. On Binance, create a new API key with trading and transfer permissions only, then copy the API key and secret into Treasure Fun. Confirm permissions and test with a small transfer to ensure everything works securely and smoothly for future use. Start by enabling 2FA on your Binance account for added protection, then head to API Management to create a new key named Treasure Fun. Restrict permissions to trading and transfers only, and avoid enabling withdrawal rights unless necessary. Copy the API key and secret into Treasure Fun immediately and store the secret in a password manager, because Binance will not display it again. Finally, verify the connection with a minimal test transfer to confirm everything is correct. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It delivers crisp sound for game alerts and voice control, so you can keep navigating Treasure Fun hands-free. I use it for timers and notifications while trading. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Security matters, so never share your Binance login or 2FA codes with anyone, and keep your device software up to date. For larger holdings, consider a hardware wallet for cold storage and only keep active funds on exchanges. Periodically rotate API keys, revoke keys you no longer use, and monitor account activity for unfamiliar trades. These habits minimize risk and ensure your Treasure Fund connection remains safe and resilient against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.